Welcome to this 10-minute Yoga for Bedtime sequence. My name is Joëlle. This series of gentle postures is designed to be very relaxing, and you can even do it in your bed if you'd like. Let's start by sitting cross-legged, and we'll inhale the arms up above the head, and exhale, twist to the right, bringing the left hand to the right knee. Inhale back to center, raising the arms, and exhale, twist left. 2 more times each side. Inhale the arms up, exhale and twist right. Now inhale to center and exhale, twist left. Inhale to center, and next time we'll exhale, twist to the right, and this time hold for a few deep breaths, releasing into the twist. I invite you to keep your eyes closed for the duration of today's practice, if that feels comfortable. Now let's inhale back to center, exhale, twist left and hold. Breathing deeply and releasing into that twist. Now inhale back to center. Exhale to bring the hands down in front of the chest in prayer pose, still keeping those eyes closed. Now switch the cross of your legs and inhale to a seated cow pose, arching the back and lifting the chin. Exhale to a cat back, rounding the spine and dropping the chin forwards. 2 more rounds. Inhale to cow, reaching tailbone back. And exhale to cat, tucking the pelvis under. Now inhale and hold that cow pose, sliding the shoulders down the back. Breathing here. And exhale to that cat back, maybe shaking out the neck to release any tension that may be lingering in the upper body. Now inhale back up to neutral spine, resting the hands on the knees for 1 deep breath cycle. Breathing in and breathing out. Now let's come onto hands and knees, taking our time to get here, and we're just going to start taking some gentle circles with the hips, going towards the right first. We'll do about 3 on each side, but go at your own pace. So experiment first by taking the hips to the right, then back to the heels, over to the left, and center. And feel free to pause anywhere that feels good here. And once you've completed a 3rd circle, just go ahead and switch directions. And again, pausing anywhere that may feel good. Perhaps that's resting for a moment with the hips back on the heels. Either way, just keep the eyes closed and notice how your body is feeling at the end of this day. Maybe a long day, chances are. And then once you're done with those circles, let yourself simply settle back into child's pose. Knees can stay hip-width apart or maybe come a little bit wider here. Reach the hands forward and completely release as the forehead comes towards the mat or towards the bed. Settle into this pose and let the breath nourish the body. If you'd like to intensify this stretch, you can press the palms together and bring them over the head as the elbows press down, opening up through the triceps and the armpits. Wonderful. And let's slowly release that. You can stretch the arms forwards again, press into the hands to come up, and we'll simply roll over onto our backs. Take your time getting here, and then bring the soles of the feet together into a butterfly or diamond shape, opening up through the inner groin. You can either rest the hands on the belly, or if you'd like to maybe open up through the shoulders, you can raise the hands above the head and rest the back of the hands on the earth. Staying here for a few moments, noticing that breath, noticing how your body feels. Now let's bring the hands back alongside the body, pull the knees together to lift the feet off the mat, and we'll roll over onto our right side, stretching the arms out in front. Now draw an arc with the left fingertips, tracing a half circle up over the head and to the left on an inhale, and then tracing back on an exhale. 2 more. Inhale to open up through the chest, and exhale to roll back to the right. Last one. Inhaling, follow those left fingertips with the gaze if you'd like, or with the head. And this time hold for a breath or two in this open posture, grounding down through both shoulder blades. And let's exhale now to sweep the fingertips back, and let's just roll back through center and over to the left side now. So inhale now to trace an arc with those right fingertips, and exhale to draw that half circle back. And inhale sweeps you open, twisting through that spine. And exhale to return. Now inhale to sweep open again, and this time hold, releasing both shoulder blades down, maybe turning the head towards the right, breathing deeply here a couple of times. And exhale to release that. And let's roll back to center and hug the knees into the chest for a few deep breaths in and out. Holding on to either the wrists or perhaps opposite elbows around the knees. And let's simply inhale to lift the head towards the knees for a moment, squeezing everything together. And then exhale to release everything into shavasana, our final resting posture. Feel free to take any final movements that might feel good before you come into this final pose. And whenever you're ready, the legs come long, feet can open out to the sides, and the hands turn palm face up. Let go of the body and let go of the day. Believe that everything today was exactly as it should be, and that tomorrow will bring new opportunities and possibilities. And this is where I'll leave you today, yogis. Feel free to stay in shavasana as long as you'd like. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more 10-minute sequences. I wish you a peaceful night of slumber and sweet dreams. Namaste.